Okay, it looks so easy on YouTube, you guys, when I watch other people do it. And then here's me. Hello, fellow adventure seekers. Rootless Wanderer here. Just getting ready to head to the trailhead. I'm going to park there again and work on these window covers. Oh, we'll see if we can fix them or if I have to scratch the whole project and start all over. We'll see. Okay guys, we're here at the trailhead and it's a beautiful day. It's quite busy because of said beautiful day. Okay guys, here we are in the back of the van, getting ready to work on these window covers that have been giving me so much trouble. I can't even... Okay, it looks so easy on YouTube, you guys, when I watch other people do it. And then here's me. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to learn as I go. And I am definitely open to suggestions and ideas and advice. So please leave a comment below. As you can see, I have a little bit of a problem. It seems that my black felt does not want to adhere to the Reflectix. I'm sure there's another adhesive that would work better with felt. But, you know, guys, look, I mean, I have a border collie who's going to be living and traveling in this van with me. So I'm already seeing an issue. I mean, and it's so hard to get off of like this felt type material. I've used everything from reverse duct tape, you know, sticking it, and lint rollers, and I've kind of given up. I mean, if you're the kind of person where dog hair offends you, this is not the channel for you, because there's going to be a lot of it. Sorry, there's like a parks person here doing some stuff. Still feels silly recording in here when there's people around, but I'll get over it. Okay, so what I was planning to do today is trim the edges of the ones that are too large for the windows and then retaping them so that they'll fit. The two side windows that ended up being too small, I was just going to either try patching those first to fill in the gap, but I'm thinking I'm just going to scrap these, you guys, because I'm having an issue with the felt. Let's see. So it seems the Gorilla Glue is not adhering the felt to the Reflectix, which I thought that could happen. I think what I'm going to do today is open these up because there are two layers. I'm going to salvage the contact paper side, and then I'm going to get rid of the felt. I've decided also that I'm just going to do one layer of the Reflectix. I do have leftover Reflectix, and I could probably make another layer for each of these windows. But I'm thinking that because we're heading into spring and summer will be here soon, I'm not going to worry about the double insulation factor until next winter. I have gear to keep me warm. I have a 0-degree sleeping bag that will work perfectly in here. So yeah, let's get rid of this felt.